equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. You'll also need a clean cloth and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor area. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips. With the back cover off, you'll see the motor assembly. Next, disconnect the motor wires. Take note of where each wire connects, as you'll need to reconnect them later. You can take a photo for reference if needed. Now, using the Torx screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 3 screws holding the motor down. After removing the screws, carefully lift the motor out of the housing. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the area with a cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. This will help ensure optimal performance and longevity of your new motor. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing. Secure it with the Torx screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's firmly in place. Next, reconnect the motor wires according to the reference photo you took earlier. Once everything is connected, replace the back cover of the vacuum. Align it properly and press it down until it clicks into place. Now, use the Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws you removed at the beginning. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten. Finally, reattach the dustbin by sliding it back into position until it clicks. Plug your Dyson SV12 back in and give it a test run. If you notice any issues or if the vacuum doesn't operate as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we provide quotes before repair, so you'll know what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV12. Enjoy your clean home with your newly repaired vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.